Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Donelle. So I am doing a quick tutorial on a nail stamping starter kit that I got from Maniology, and I'm starting with an ombre just to show you. I wet a makeup sponge with water and then I wring out the excess, and then you paint however you want your ombre to look on your sponge, and then you just dab it on lightly, just quick light motions until you get the coverage you need. You don't want to over dab it on because it'll start picking the polish back up. So then I'll give it a few seconds to dry in between each layer, and then I'll keep doing it until I get the look that I want. If you use a white base, you tend to not have to do as many colors, but that's not what I did here. So I probably did that 4 times until I got the saturation that I wanted. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a smudge-free top coat over the top, just to go ahead and give it a little bit of protection so it doesn't smudge whenever I stamp it. And then from here, I am just going to pick some random images and start stamping them on. This is a Maniology stamping starter kit. It's called Happy Face Nails. You can see it comes with a limited edition stamper and scraper card. And the beauty about that is if you're new to stamping, it comes with one plate. It comes with the stamper, a scraper card, and it also comes with a little mini bottle of a little duo pack of mini polishes, which for some reason I didn't show in the video. One of them is black and one of them is the smudge-free top coat. So if you've never stamped before and if you don't have the supplies, you can just go on maniology.com and order one of their starter kits, and it gives you everything you need to get started with an instruction manual and everything you need, tips and tricks like that. They have lots of different starter kits. You don't have to pick this one. They kind of have something for every aesthetic. So I am just picking up little random fun images and just doing like a little fun summer collage, I think, on the nails. I love these colors. I believe it was watermelon float, and the yellow is, I don't know, but I don't remember which yellow I used, and I've already put all my polishes away. Yeah, so this was just a fun little kit. I had been wanting this plate for a while, and they didn't have the plate as a starter kit or in stock for a while, and now they have it both. You can order just the plate if you don't need a starter kit, or again, you can order the whole kit. I'm just adding some dots with a dotting tool. Super simple to add a few little extra elements so it doesn't look so blank. And then I just went over all the nails with a smudge-free top coat, and that's it. That was quick and easy. And this is what the box looked like. So yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.